So right away, it goes right on. Okay, and that is on number 2. For the speed, there's number 3. Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a fan from Omni. Now, I purchased this myself. They did not send me this fan, just to be fair and transparent. Actually bought this at Costco. I do a lot of Costco reviews too, and this is just one of them. If it's not available in Costco, I'll leave a link down below. So if it is not available in your Costco, there's a link down below that's very similar to this or very close to this exact fan. So let's do an unboxing. Let's do a quick unboxing. Take it out of the box. I won't bother you too much with that. I think it's also Wi-Fi. Shows Wi-Fi here as well. 4 speeds, it oscillates. It has a nice timer. Let me see what else it says here. Take a look at the box. 4 wind speeds. Let's see. Gradually increase and decrease speeds. Blend wind and speeds. Automatic thermostat sensor. Has a remote control. I think it's Wi-Fi. A little filter, all kinds of cool stuff. All right, so this is the white one here. Again, Omni Breeze is the fan, and let's pop it out of the box, take a look at it, and I'll give you my thoughts on it, and we'll do also a test as well. So stay tuned to that as well. We'll do a sound test and see how loud this thing is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to that channel right there. Hit that subscribe button right there. Appreciate your time as always. All right, let's get to unboxing and take a look at this cool fan from Omni Breeze. Let's go. Okay, guys, so here's the fan. I took it out of the box. You can see here, I just laid it out on the rug. So to put it on the base, you have to put the base on. The base comes in 2 pieces like you see here. So what you have to do is put the base together, then you just unscrew this, and you put the base on the bottom. That's how you attach it, okay? So that's as simple as that. So let's take this off. Here's the base. So the base you have to kind of put together. You can see here, top and bottom, have to kind of snap in this way, in this fashion. Let's just snap that in there. This goes here. This goes in here. Just line up that hole correctly. Snap that in just like you see. Snap this in on this side. Make sure you get, there you go. So you can hear that snap, right? Now you just want to put this on the bottom of this, basically, like you see here. And let me just turn this over so you can see. Then you just put that little screw here, which is plastic, and that will tighten that up. Make sure that's snug, don't have to go crazy. It shouldn't go anywhere. And that's how you put the base on. So that was easy. Just snap these 2 together. But you don't need any screws, which is great. No tools needed, which is fantastic. And that's it. Okay, so I did a quick measurement. So we got a 5-foot cord here. Here is the screen, the little control screen here in front. That's the front. Here is the actual front of the fan itself. Okay, take a tour. Here is the back of the fan. Here's the remote control, which is fantastic. I love that. And here is the back with this little filter. And the filter, all you do is take these 2, pop these two little fingers, and you can see how that's all coming out. And this is a fan right here, a little filter. And you can take that and take the like lint, things like that. It's not a HEPA filter at all, but it will help with like small pieces of dust, things like that. That's what it's for. That's what it's designed for. And the height of this fan, I would say it's around 4 feet tall. What does it say here? Let me take a quick look here on the measurements. 38 inches exactly. That's what this said. 38 inches tall, so you can see how tall it's with the black and white look to it. Some are all black, some are all white. This goes back and forth. That's your oscillation. Fan speed is inside. It's like a drum fan, so it goes around. Can't get your fingers caught in there, which is safe for kids and pets. That's another good reason to have this. It oscillates. All right, let's just check this out and see how much air it gives off and see how loud it is. That's what we want to do. Okay, so I did find the book. It was stuck in the bottom of the box. Just to let you know, here's the remote control. I took it out of the bag. You do have to pull a small tab on the back here to activate the battery, so make sure you do that. That's important. And I'm going to download the Smart Life app. We're going to check that out, and we're going to download the app and just also hook this up to the Wi-Fi and check that out as well. All right, let's continue doing that, and I'll get right back to you. I actually had this app already installed, so I already use it. So basically what it says to do is hold down the timer button for 3 seconds, and it goes to Wi-Fi settings. So you can see the Wi-Fi, actually, hopefully you can see that. It's actually blinking. And on here, the app, it did come up on the screen already. So let's take a look at that. Let's install that, hit the fan, and we put the password in, and that's pretty much that easy to do. So it's pretty quick and easy for that. So I'm gonna get that installed. Then I'm gonna go over some of the settings with you and how that all works with the different settings on the fan. Okay, guys, I added it. It was really very seamless. It able to separate the network. So it does work. Turn it on, hit the power button. There it goes. Goes right on. It's all set for Wi-Fi. So that was pretty easy, I have to say. I'm pretty impressed with that. You have different speeds right here. It's the 4 speeds. You can have that cranking right away. Very responsive. So you don't even need the remote control if you lose it, which is a great thing. Throwing a lot of air, which is really helpful. For this is a hot room up here. It's a hot room. It's 82 degrees in here. It tells you the temperature here. Tells you the speed. You can do normal, neutral, sleep, auto, oscillating on and off, countdown timer. Just really cool. This has a lot of features. I like this a lot. I like the app. I always like apps because, I mean, the remotes are cool, but apps are just really give you full feedback. You know, I'm getting a nice feed over here, and also remote control does work as well. So let's see how that. Yep, there's remote control. Remote control, you do have to point it to it, just so you know. So that's one thing that you do have to do. Let's see. There we go. Right there, it's on. You can hear that, and here's oscillating on and off. All right, so let's see, shut that off. And then you can see here the Wi-Fi signal is on. So we are connected to Wi-Fi, so that's really cool. And let's just take a look at some of the settings and talk about that real quick, and then we'll do a quick test on the sound. Okay, so we have multiple. We have ultra quiet, which says the wind settings fluctuate between medium, low, and ultra quiet. So between low and medium, that's ultra quiet. And then we have low speed, we have medium speed, we have high speed. We have sleep breeze mode gradually decelerates. The wind speed for comfort throughout the night, so it kind of goes up and down. It decelerates it, which is nice. Ultra quiet, which is a nice airflow. It's quiet. We have low, medium, high. So there's all different settings here. Auto mode goes by the temperature. You can adjust the temperature. So there's really a lot of settings to it. There's really a lot to dive into this. So definitely take your time, read the manual. Pretty easy, pretty laid out. So let's just listen to see some of the modes here real quick. And let's just put it right here. We're going to test it real quick. Let's see. Let's put it on manually here. So hit the power button here. So right away, it goes right on. Okay. And that is on number 2. For the speed, there's number 3, number 4. So you can hear it a little bit louder, right? You can shut the oscillation is on. You can shut the oscillation off. Keep it fixed. Oscillation on. Okay. Like that. And then you have the quiet mode. Okay, you have the night mode, so it makes it a little bit quieter. You can have a timer, I think up to 12 hours. I like this tower fan, and it gives you a lot of airflow here. Coming out really nice. It's going to really move the air around nicely. I definitely think this is a winner. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend this 100% so far. I like it. Let's just do a quick sound test. I'm going to take out my my meter, and let's see what kind of sound we're getting out of this, and then we'll wrap up the video. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed these types of reviews. I do all kinds of how-to, you name it. You know, my channel is full of a ton of videos, over 1,000 videos on my channel. And just to help educate you so you can make a good decision for yourself. So you can see the light went off, just to let you know. So at night, when you turn it on, that light will go off, so it will not bother you. That's a good feature. I just noticed that myself, and I think you can probably turn it off and on, I'm sure, in the settings. Right there, power's on, power's off. So this light will go off automatically, so that won't bother you. Lower the fan. So let's do a test on the decibels and just see how loud this fan really is. Okay, guys, you can see here my decibel meter here. I'm talking. There's nothing on. I had another fan running. I shut that fan off. So let's just do silence. Let's just get a baseline for the room. So it's running about 30, 32 decibels. Pretty quiet. Let's turn the fan on. So this is level 1. The fan is approximately 12 inches away from the meter. So 38, 37, that's pretty quiet. Level 2. (41, 42), you can see that. Level 3. (44, 45, 46), you can see that. And level 4. I'm getting a good breeze at around 52 decibels, which is pretty quiet, by the way. Let's see, I'm going to put it on quiet mode. This is quiet mode. So you can see what happened here in quiet mode. It just started going, so it's going up and down very quietly, very slowly. And I want you to just, it picked up again. I want you to hear that. So it's rotating high and low, the air, and that's the quiet mode on 4. And I'm sure you can adjust those modes in different sounds. Let's put this on level 2, and then let's put quiet mode on. Let's try that. Here's quiet mode on 2. Okay, even quieter like I thought. So depending on the level it's on, it'll go up to the level and down to the level. So up to level 2, down to, then it goes down. Level 3 goes up to level 3, goes down, and 4 goes higher and then goes down. So that's pretty much how that works. So you can see how it looks. And the decibels weren't bad. So you saw that. The meter was great. Everything sounded fantastic. I recommend this fan 1,000%. You got Wi-Fi. You have a remote control. You have a beautiful tall fan, and it's gorgeous looking. It's going to do its job. So I'm going to give this 5 stars. It does exactly what it says. You saw the decimals. They were pretty decent, and everything was pretty cool. I like it, so thumbs up for me. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. This is a keeper. Like I said, I bought this myself, but there will be a link down in the description if you can't find it in Costco. And all the Omni fans are fantastic. Omni Breeze fans are fantastic, so you'll definitely won't be disappointed. And it's pretty stable. On a carpet, pretty stable. It's got a 5-foot cord. You can see it plugged in over there. And this is going to be great. It's going to bring some nice cool air in here and definitely need it up here for sure. All right, guys, see you at the next video, and thanks for watching.